Okay, what to do? Okay, I'll just add, name of the group. Name of the group is sales. Okay, created. Sorry, there was a group sales. I've added 3 members to the group. Hyphen M capital M stands for multiple. We have discussed already. Now I just want to create an entry, sudo entry for sales group. It's very easy. You edit previous file. In this, you can create here, really. You can create an entry here, no problem. But there is a recommended location. If you just come down, you see, this is the place we normally, okay, this is recommended location to keep the sudo entry for the group. But please, I've told you, you can create an entry. You can keep settings anywhere in this file. That's not a problem. Okay. Now I'm going to create an entry for sales group. So group entry should always start with percentage sales. Then only machine can understand whether it's group or okay user. And remaining all saved. No, okay, difference. And if you give all sales group members can execute all sensitive commands, I don't need. And I'll give no pass WD also. Okay, pass WD. Avoid asking password. It's really not secure, not recommended, but we are just testing it. And which command example? Okay, I'll give user add only, just for understanding only, right? You can test any command, okay? Any command, any sensitive command. User add, enough. I'll just save, okay, save falsely. Okay, now, oh, user Sally had an entry, Sam also had an entry. Jolie doesn't have an entry in that, right? Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just, open another tab. I'll just try to log in as user Jolie. Logged in, and Jolie is trying to create user add. Okay, example Jolie1. Jolie1. No. Okay, then just try with sudo. We know that we are studying, that's the reason I'm doing like this. Okay, see, we have given should not ask password, didn't ask password, account is created. So you can ask any question related to this. This is what, okay, an idea used in enterprises, offices, organizations to delegate permission to a normal user to execute sensitive commands. If anything, please ask. Okay, if no question, what I'll do is I'll move to next,
Sir, a recording is available, na? Previous recording?
Yeah, first I started,
Today.
like when, yeah, it's available.
Okay, okay.
Okay, yeah. So there was like, maybe like 5 minutes, so someone stopped it. I got a message, but I couldn't realize first. Okay. Okay, now we will go for what and all remaining. These two only, right? Special permission, difficult, okay. I'll go for group password first. Once finish this, we'll go for SUID, I mean special permission. Maybe we will finish this tomorrow only, understand? So let's go for group password. So once we finish with this, I'll really, this storage management and all will go a bit fast, okay? Then only we can finish the course, understand? So group password. Group password is really, it's a bit interesting. I'll show you one simple example to understand. We set password to every users. When you create user account, you will set password. And user will use password for, okay, to utilize the privileges. Maybe like even for login to the machine, we use password, isn't it? These are the purpose of using password. I mean, these are the purpose of password. So what about group password? The first time, we are setting password to the group. Even we can set, okay, password to the group in Windows, but that is with the help of, okay, an external application. There is no inbuilt feature in Windows to set password to the group. Okay, but in Linux, you have feature to set password to the group. Okay, now we have a group here. Group name is sales. There is a group name is sales. Okay, sales group contain 3 members, Sam, Jolie, Sally. I'm just going to set password to the sales group. G passwd, not passwd, G passwd, group password. And what's the group name? To which group you want to? Sales group. Asking password, I'll give BTM at 1234 is the password. BTM at 1234. Clear. So we have set password to sales group, and also please try to understand sales group has 3 members. Sales group has 3 members. There are 3 members. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll just give permission to sales group. I'll just create one file. Okay, this is simple example. When, where do we use group password? When, where we, okay, because we set password to the group. Okay, when or where we do, okay, use group password. Simple example. Okay, there are so many examples, but this is just a simple example to understand use of the group password. What I'll do is I'm a root user. I'll just create a file. Example, I'll just create a file in OPT. I'm creating an OPT. File name is test.txt. Create it. And just ls-l/opt text.txt, then you can see who is a user owner root. Why? Root created. Who is a group owner root? Why? Root is a primary group of root user. Clear. And what's the default permission? 644. Why? You mask of the root user. Clear. Now I just want to transfer the group ownership of this file to sales group. So I'll use chgrp. To whom you want to transfer the ownership? Sales group. Which file? File is /opt/ clear. Now we have transferred the group ownership of this file to sales group. So sales group has 3 members. They'll have, okay, what permission? This is a group owner permission, right? Read only. But I just want to give read and write. So I'll use chmod command. And please someone tell. I just want to change. I just want to give. I just want to keep existing permission intact, and I just want to add, write permission to the group owner. So please tell value, numeric value of the permission. Chmod, please. Please. Got the question right? If no, I'll repeat.
Please repeat.
Yeah. Now what is the existing permission? 644. Okay. So who is a group owner? Sales. I just want to give write permission to the group. Okay. So please tell in numeric.
664.
664/opt. Okay, now clear. Okay, there are 3 members: Sam, Sally, Sam, Jolly. So Sally logged in, and she will just open /opt opened. She can see there is a file. File name is test.txt. She will just cat into this. Okay, file. Yes, she's okay. Trying to append some lines to this file. Okay, permission. 1 second. You just log off. I'll just log off. Sally should log off and log in. Okay. SU-Sally. Okay, she will open OPT and ls get into this file. Yes, and try to, okay, she's typing I'm Sally. Okay, able to make changes. Same way, Sam, Jolly can also make changes. Sure, right? We don't want to test it because we know they are the members. They are the member of. Okay, they are the members of what sales group. Now I'll open another tab. Now just try to log in as Tom. SU-Tom. Tom logged in. And Tom will open OPT directory. OPT opened. ls file is there. Tom is trying to, okay, you please try to understand who is a user owner root. User owner has read and write. Who is a group owner? Sales. Okay, who are the members? Sally, Jolly, Sam. What? Okay, what is the permission of group owner? Read and write. Okay, now who is trying to open this file? Tom. Who is Tom? Tom is others. What permission? Okay, Tom has. Let's check. He's trying to open. Yes, able to open. He's trying to append some lines to this. Sorry, permission denied. Thing is clear because Tom is in others. Okay, so if Tom wants to write into this file, either you have to give permission to others or you must create ACL entry for Tom. So nothing is that. That's the reason he couldn't sorry, couldn't make changes. Okay, now I'll tell you power of this group password. You just tell, I just want to allow user Tom. I just want to allow user Tom. I just want to give, okay, I've just check who is a user group owner. Then it says, okay, sales is the group owner of this file. Sales group is the group owner of this file. So I just want to give, I just want to inherit the permission of sales group to user Tom. For that, what you have to do, you have to make Tom as member of the sales group. No, I'm not ready for that. I just want to inherit permission only for this login session. I'm not ready to make Tom as member of sales. But I just want to inherit permission of the sales group to Tom only for this login session. Only for this login session. Now Tom is logged in, right? Only for until he log out. So I'll just tell. I'll just request Tom to type a command new GRP new group and group name sales enter. Then it's requesting for password. It's requesting Tom to enter the password. Whose password? Probably this group password only. I'll enter BTM at 1234. Entered and Tom got this prompt. And Tom will type the same command. Last time he tried to append a line to this file. Then he couldn't. He got a permission denied error. He will try same command again. Cat. Oh, now it's possible. Understand? He's typing Tom typed Control Z. Oh, saved. And he will exit. He will exit. Exit means log off. Exit. Exit again, please. Exited. Log out. Now he will log in again. SU Tom. And he will open /opt. Okay, ls test.txt. He will cat into this test.txt. He will try to append some. Okay, he already logged out after inheriting the privilege of the sales group to the user Tom. He logged out and again log in and he's trying. So let's okay, because that's what I said, only for that login session. Once he logged out, okay, that privilege inheritance will stop automatically. So this is really okay. User Tom got temporary membership of the sales, right? This is a small idea used in Linux. Okay, temporary membership. But you please try to understand. Okay, he became, once he became member of sales group temporarily, what are the objects sales group has permission? Okay, this user Tom will have permission on everything. Imagine sales group has permission of so many files and files and directories. Okay, everywhere user Tom will get permission. So this is really used for temporary inheritance. Okay, permanent inheritance is what you can just add the user to the group as member. But I don't want to add only for this session, only for today, only for particular time understanding. For that purpose we use. Again, you have to inform him to type this command new grp and group name is sales and BTM at 1234. Okay, so once we share the password to the user, and once the inheritance finished and logged out, we will change the password. You must change password if you don't want to allow him to use the password again. Understand? Now he is trying to. Yes, possible. Yes. This is actual use of the group password. There are many examples, but this is a superb example, okay, among all. That's the reason I've selected this. If you check in internet, you will get so many other examples, but this is superb example, easy to understand. Okay, anything, please ask. If no question, I'll move to, okay, next discussion, that is special permission. This is a bit difficult, okay, bit difficult, should listen well. Special permissions. Okay, we have special permission in Windows. Same way, here also we have special permission. Okay, so there are three special permissions. First is SUID, stands for set user ID. Okay, set user ID, numeric value 4. And this is actually designed only for executable file. Executable file doesn't mean .exe file. We don't have .exe in Linux. We don't have .exe in Linux. We have so many types of executable files in Linux. Example, .rpm, .deb, .sh, .py, .ps, YML. These are good example for executable file. Please don't misunderstand. Okay, .exe. .exe is in Windows. Okay, we don't have .exe file here. Okay, so only for only for exe file, executable file, not exe file, executable file. Executable file, okay. Executable, okay, file. You can apply only for, this is designed only for executable file. And you can apply only for the users. Okay, keep in mind, I'll explain, please wait. Okay, this is designed to apply only on executable files, only for the users. How? I'll tell you, please wait. Next is SGID, stands for set group ID, set group ID. Numeric value is 2. And this is designed only for directories. And apply, you can apply only for the groups. Only for the groups. I'll show you example. Okay, but I'll tell you in advance, it is a bit difficult. These are a bit difficult. Okay. Next is sticky bit. Sticky bit is very easy. Sticky bit. Sticky bit, no full form, numeric value 1. This is designed only for, okay, what, directories. I'll explain one by one. First, we will go for SUID. First, we will learn SUID. Okay, listen. SUID. SUID is type of special permission designed to apply. Okay, you can execute only on, you can apply only on executable file, only for the users. Only for executable file, only for the users. Then some people will tell, Ashraf, I've tried once to apply on directory, then I didn't get any error, happened successfully. But I'll tell you, in Linux, we have, one drawback. Linux will not block you from doing wrong things. Linux will not, block you from, deny you from doing, wrong things. Okay, it will accept. Finally, what will happen is, in most cases, not all cases, most cases really, it will accept. But if you apply, example, this is designed to apply only for executable file, but you have applied on directory, it will accept really, will not throw any error, but will not work, no use, because this is specially designed for executable file. Okay, so when you are applying on a directory, it will not say, sorry, this is designed only for executable file, you cannot apply on direct, will not say such things. Will happening, okay, successfully you can apply on directory, but no use. Try to understand. Okay, you can test it later. Okay, and apply for the users. So this is a bit difficult. Listen, executable files. Executable file. Now we don't have an executable file. Okay, we didn't create any YAML or shell script or any other things. So what I'll do is, our commands, right? commands which we have executed, like user add command, group add command, hostname command, so many commands we learn. All commands are, please try to understand, all commands are executable file. All commands are an executable file. All commands are an executable file. Okay, if you want, I have a proof for that. I'll show you. I have a proof. Listen, you know, like sbin, okay, sbin and bin, these are the two directories contain Linux operating system commands, right? These are the two directories contain Linux operating system commands. I'll just give ls-l, okay, /bin. Look here, these are the commands. What's the text color? I mean, foreground color is green. Foreground color green means what? Executable. I've told you. Okay, I'll show you one example. I'll just create a file, touch F1. Oh, sorry. I'll create a file, touch F1. Create it. ls F1 is there. Okay, what's the text color? White. Okay, ls-l F1. Look at long list. No execute permission, regular file. But I'm just going to give a execute permission. I'm going to make it executable. So you please try to understand, if you make text file, if you give execute, if you set execution attribute to text file, will it become executable? No, we know that. That is a universal truth, will not become, understand, but you're just trying. I'll give a command, sorry, chmod plus x F1. Now check in green color. And there is execute permission also. I've added plus x for all, plus x. Okay, understanding. What I'm saying is, you please try to understand. Okay, all commands are executable file. All commands are executable file. So last time okay, 1 second. ls-l, okay, /bin. All commands are executable file. Okay, 1 second. I'll take a particular command. That's good idea. Okay, ls-l/bin/hostname. Look at this, showing in green color, and there is execution permission. Execution permission is available. So please try to understand, all Linux commands are executable programs, executable files. All Linux commands are, not only Linux, even in Windows also, all are executable. All are program. Hostname is a program. Okay, user add command is program. So when you are giving that command, what is happening in that program? Appropriate program is running in background. That is what? Understand? So these are programs. So please try to understand, those are executable. Programs are executable. So please try to understand, all commands are executable. I don't have any other example to show. Okay, here. If I want to show, I should create either shell script or YAML script, but both will be learned later. We have last session, in RHCSA shell script 1 day class. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then I'll show you this there also. But now we are going to play with, okay, normal commands only. Commands are executable file, right? Commands are executable file. Okay, let me take an example. ls-l/sbin/user add. Look at this. This also showing in green. So it's a program. Okay, it is executable. So what I'll do is, I just want to show you. I just want to, okay, show you an example. Okay, before showing this example, I should remove all sudo entries. Please wait for a moment. Otherwise, you will confuse. Okay, please. I'll remove all sudo entries. Okay, I'm removing sudo entries of every users except root. Removed. Okay, now you just try Sally user add. Okay, Sally 2. Not happening. Try with sudo user add. It says asking password. I'll give password first, and it says your name is not available in sudo's file. So same thing will happen for every users. Okay, so look here. Okay, Sam is trying to user add Sam2, not happening. Sudo. Okay, password of Sam. Same thing for everyone. Okay, because we have removed sudo entries of all users. Now I'm going to apply SUID on this. This is executable file. This is an executable file. Okay, we can apply SUID only on executable file, only for the users. Okay, so what is the existing permission of user owner? 7. Existing permission, default permission of user owner of this file is RWX. RWX means 7. Okay, what I'll do is I'm going to apply SUID on it. I'm going to apply SUID on it. So after applying SUID, X user, okay, user owner permission X will replace with S. Okay, there will not be X. We will have only S. So S means, okay, S means special permission is applied, and it's showing S in what? User owner permission part. So okay, that portion, understand. So we should understand SUID is applied. SUID is applied for this particular file. Now let me just try to apply. How do we apply it? For that we'll go for chmod user ID plus S special permission and give the absolute path of the file sbin. Okay, flash user add. Check again long list, take the long list again. Now you can see it is highlighted in red. Red means harmful, dangerous. Highlighted in red. And also look, earlier there was X. Now the X is replaced with S. That means SUID is applied on this particular executable file. And from this you can understand SUID is specially designed only for the user. That's the reason after applying user ID, some changes happen in user permission portion. Okay, so it says this is really dangerous because you are giving permission to every users of this machine to execute this particular command. That is really, okay, we should say like prohibited, not recommended. Okay, understanding, not recommended. Don't do that. But we are testing in classroom, that's all. Now what I'll do is I'll just, Sally logged in, and Sally will, look here, Sally is not even using sudo. She can't use sudo prefix because she's not a sudo user. Account is created. User, there are some warnings, forget, but account is really created. User add Sally to check get an entries from past WD regarding Sally 2 created successfully, and Sam is trying without sudo created. Okay, Jolly can try. Every users of this machine, every normal user can try to execute this. You please try to understand, no one will give permission like this. We don't have any other executable file in this machine. I didn't teach you YAML or shell scripting. We will learn later, then we will try this again. But now I'm just trying to show you, make you understand with an existing commands. That's all. Commands are executable file. Okay, commands are executable files. Understanding. So again, you try Jolly. Jolly can user add. Okay, she's going to create an account. Jolly3 created. So this is really harmful. That's the reason it is highlighted in. Okay, so if something highlighted in red, okay, it will be easily, it will come to our visibility, and we can try to think about it. So this is really not, this is not a best practice, or this is highly prohibited. Don't do that. But we are trying with this, we are studying, understanding. So now I just want to remove this permission. I just want to remove this permission. What permission? User ID of this special permission of, special SUID special permission of this file. For that you can use U minus S. It's very easy in symbolic, U minus S. Yes, removed. Now I just want to tell you, U mask. Remember, we have, like discarded first digit, and someone asked yesterday, look at first digit, how many digit we have? Every object permission will have 4-digit number. Every object permission, okay, would contain 4-digit number. First digit represents special permission, second digit, okay, user owner, third group owner, last others. So we are going to discuss about the first digit today. Normally default, okay, by default directories and files will not have any special permission. By default directories and files will not have any special permission. You will have, okay, you have to give it manually if you need. Example, now, okay, so what is the numeric value of SUID? 4. Numeric value of SUID is number 4. Now, what is an existing permission of this file? Someone please tell in numeric. Please tell what is the default permission of this file, user add command. Please tell. Numeric. Hmm. 755, correct. 755. Okay, 755. I just want to apply special permission. What is SUID? What's the numeric for? How do we do? You see, I'll use chmod. Last time we have used U plus a symbolic. Now I'll give 4. First digit 4 means special permission 4 is SUID. Second, okay, I just want to keep existing permission as it is. Understand? So 755. And what's the file? Okay, /sbin/user add. Done. Check. Sorry. Yes, applied, right? Applied. Look at this. It's again highlighted. There is S. How do we remove? Okay, to remove, there are two ways. Either you remove this 4. Either you remove this 4 or you keep 0. Anything is fine. Understanding? Anything is fine. So I just, kept 0. Removed. So clear, right? So we have learned first digit. I've told you, okay, ignore first is okay, first digit I'll teach later. So we have learned now, but you please try to understand the value of the first digit can be either 4, 6, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what is 4? SUID. 6 means SUID and SCID. Okay, what is 5? SUID and sticky bit. What is 3? SCID and sticky bit. Got it, right? So like combination, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, I have another session today. Now, okay, I'll stop here. So please practice. Please, okay, download recordings properly, because if you ask me later, will not be available. Understand? Now, facing problems. Someone asked for recordings. So many recordings are really not available here. Okay, it's showing, but when I'm trying to download, it's giving some error messages, and also please download the recording daily. Understand? So just for reference. Okay, you can ask if anything. If no question, we will meet tomorrow again, and tomorrow we'll finish this. I think within 30 minutes we can finish SGID and sticky bit. And next 30 minutes we will go for next unit. Okay, if no questions, I'll